We have a good match. I told you. Kaya huwag kayong mali sa inyong kinaupuan. We have a good match today. Number 24, Ramos. Ramos, number 8 for me. Number 8, number 13, Paul Takota. Number 27. Okay, number 27. Number 27, foul. Hold on. Number 14. Bring the ball. Number 8. Blocker. Number 8. Second foul, Maliare. Okay, number 1. Foul. Offensive foul number 1. Offensive foul number 1. Substitution ref. Number 10 Franco. Out 0-0. Di Guzman. Out Di Guzman. Francisco in.
Ref, ingat sa pagkito. Malunok mo yan.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Now, number 10 Francisco. To number 24 Ramos. First number 3. Ramos Petrie! Number 14. Number 14 to number 3 Anderson. Loses the ball. No ball. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Anderson. Anderson buying bodies with Maliari, and we have a foul for number 21, Maliari. We have a foul, Maliari. Side ball, side ball. Pass to Anderson, number 3. Anderson to number 8, post up for dribble shot, double shot. Now rebound by Francisco. Francisco dribbling the ball. Halas by number 8 and number 14. Now Francisco is leading. Pass to number 8, Pass to Ramos for 3-point shot. There you go. Rebound by Paeta. Number 8, Jubel. Number 8, Jubel for 2. Number 3, Anderson. Anderson running bodies and collected a foul from number 24 Maliari. Number 21 Maliari rather. Number 21. Substitution. Number 21 Maliari out and Diviga. Number 12. We have 2 free throws coming up for Mr. Anderson. No free throws. Side Number 1. Okay, number 12.
Ikaw naman mag-video.
Number 12, Diviga. So number 3, no more. Number 14 loses the ball. Substitution for Linarin and Cajota, number 27. The score is 5-6 in favor of Maroon team.
Ay, sila naman.
Number 12, Diviga. For 3 points, Diviga!